Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook snake gourd. First, choose firm, young gourds, ideally 12 to 18 inches in length. Wash them well, then gently scrape off the fuzzy outer skin using a vegetable peeler. Next, cut the gourd in half lengthwise and carefully scoop out the seeds and stringy core. Finally, slice the gourd into half-inch thick pieces or dice it according to your recipe's needs. This preparation ensures a clean and ready-to-cook vegetable. Snake gourd is incredibly versatile and can be prepared in many delicious ways. A popular method is stir-frying, where you can quickly cook it with your favorite spices and other vegetables. It also shines when simmered in flavorful curries or hearty stews until it becomes wonderfully tender. For a slightly different taste, try roasting or baking it, which can enhance its natural sweetness. Steaming is another excellent, healthy option, helping to retain its valuable nutrients. To truly elevate your snake gourd dish, consider its ideal flavor companions. It pairs beautifully with ingredients like coconut, various lentils, and a range of aromatic Indian spices. Essential spices often include turmeric, cumin, coriander, and mustard seeds, which provide a warm base. Don't forget a touch of fresh garlic, ginger, and green chilies to really enhance its natural, subtle taste. A final squeeze of lime or lemon juice adds a wonderful, bright finish. For the best possible snake gourd dish, remember a few key tips. Firstly, be careful not to overcook it. Aim for a slightly firm, yet tender texture. Always choose younger gourds, as they tend to be less bitter and offer a more delicate flavor. Lightly salting the gourd before cooking can help draw out any excess moisture, preventing a watery dish. Finally, serve your delicious cooked snake gourd immediately to enjoy its optimal taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.